Emily here with Splash Pool and Spa in Cedar Rapids. I'm joined by the magnificent Ashley Niffenegger, and we're bringing you another Splashy segment today. So, Ashley, you said this particular hot tub feature that we're going to be discussing on our marquee spas is the second most popular feature that our customers add when they purchase a hot tub.
Yeah.
And what is it?
It's Ozone.
Ozone. And I'm just curious, what's the first feature then?
It's the lighting.
Okay, so lighting's our most popular feature, but right behind that, ozone.
Yep.
What is ozone?
It is a feature that converts oxygen to ozone gas. So as the jets are running, it's helping sanitize the water.
Okay, it sounds kind of sciencey a little bit.
Sciencey.
All right, so obviously this is popular with people. Why do you think it is so popular? You mentioned that it's kind of helps with sanitizing the water.
Yeah.
Why would I care about that?
Yeah, it works really well with the inline system, which we talked about in our other video. It reduces the amount of sanitizer needed, so I think everyone can relate to not wanting to put a lot of chemicals in their water, and this is kind of how you achieve that.
I see. So ozone alone will kind of help maximize the sanitizer in your water, reduce the amount of additional chemicals you might need to use.
Correct.
Ozone paired with inline sanitation is like kind of the 1-2 punch.
Yes.
Okay, good to know.
Yep.
Anything else about ozone? Why people are thinking about it these days, or what else it can offer to someone who might be considering it?
Yeah, I would say also, and this is just my own personal observation, that when I open a hot tub with ozone, I always smell, it's like a fresh, clean smell too. There might not be any science behind that, but I have a lot of hot tubs here. I consider myself a little bit of a hot tub connoisseur. So yeah, that fresh smell is good. You want it to smell clean when you get in there.
I can see why ozone is becoming such a popular feature for our customers.
Absolutely.
So in the end, the biggest kind of value that it adds is maximizing sanitizer, reducing the amount of additional chemicals you might need to use. I would assume with something that's so valuable like that, it's an expensive upgrade. Is that true?
It's pretty reasonable. It's right in line with the inline.
Okay,
It's
so
about
a couple $100 bucks?
Yeah, a couple $100.
So you could opt for just doing the ozone, a couple $100. It might even be included in the features of the hot tub, depending on which hot tub line you're looking at. But that paired with inline, just a couple $100 for convenience, peace of mind, and again, not having to look to additional sources for sanitizer.
Absolutely.
Wow, our customers are smart. I knew it all along. If you're looking to purchase a hot tub, looking for a hot tub for your home, if you have questions about all of the endless features that our hot tub lines offer, stop in and see us. We're open Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, Saturday, 10 to 4, and we would love to help you pick out the perfect hot tub for your home. Talk to you soon.
All right, guys.
Ashley, how exactly does it work?